How to delete accounts on Google. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'll simply show you how you can delete accounts from Google. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. If you'd like to delete accounts from Google, or let's say that there are some of the accounts that are connected to your Google account and you would simply like to remove them, it's very simple to do so. All you have to do is first launch any of the Google apps. So it could be your Chrome browser, it could be anything else. Once you launch any of the Google app, just tap on your Google profile photo and choose the option called manage your Google account. Once you go to the manage your Google account page, you will see this kind of information. Now over here you want to go to the option called data and privacy. As you go to data and privacy, scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and here you'll find all of these different options over here. So you can also see third-party apps with account access. So what you need to do is to just tap on this icon over here. Once you tap on this icon here, you'll be able to see all of these details. Once you see all of the accounts that are connected to your Google account, if you'd like to remove and unlink either of these, just tap on it, choose the option called remove access. It will ask you for a confirmation, tap on OK, and repeat the process for any of the accounts that you want to delete from your Google account. That's all it takes to delete accounts on Google and remove the access. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.